For centuries, the question of whether we are truly alone in the universe has intrigued humanity. Our curiosity about extraterrestrial life stretches back to ancient civilizations, where myths and legends of gods descending from the heavens or celestial beings influencing human affairs were commonplace. As humanity advanced through the ages, our ideas evolved, and with the dawn of modern science, the question became more about empirical evidence than mythological beliefs. As our understanding of the cosmos expanded, the idea that we might not be the only sentient beings in the universe gained traction. Astronomers, physicists, and biologists have all worked tirelessly to seek out clues that might indicate the presence of intelligent life beyond Earth. Now, in the 21st century, with the help of groundbreaking technologies and an ever-expanding reach into the depths of space, we are closer than ever to potentially answering this age-old question. But, are we really on the verge of making a monumental discovery, or are we merely chasing after illusions fueled by our collective imagination? Recently, some eye-catching headlines have emerged claiming that NASA has detected what appears to be a carpet of city lights on an alien planet, possibly signaling the presence of an advanced extraterrestrial civilization. These reports have captured the attention of millions of people across the globe, raising hopes that we might finally be on the cusp of a historic breakthrough. After all, if there really is a highly developed civilization out there, wouldn't they have left behind some sort of technological signature or fingerprint that we could detect? This concept of looking for artificial signals, such as lights or other signs of technological advancement, has been a cornerstone of the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, for decades. The excitement surrounding these findings is understandable, but it's crucial to take a closer look at what the reports are really saying and consider whether we are truly closer to discovering extraterrestrial life, or if we're simply witnessing the latest in a long series of speculative claims. At the heart of the latest round of sensational claims lies the work of two researchers from the University of Nottingham, Tom Westby and Christopher Conneal, who recently made headlines with a startling study. Their research suggested that there could be as many as 36 advanced alien civilizations in our local Milky Way galaxy. According to their modeling, assuming the development of intelligent life on other planets takes a similar amount of time as it did on Earth, there should be a few dozen civilizations scattered across our cosmic neighborhood. This is an exciting idea. If there are so many potential alien civilizations in the Milky Way, why haven't we detected any signs of them yet? This question has been the source of much debate and speculation among scientists and enthusiasts alike for many years, and Westby and Conneal's study brought the issue back into the spotlight. The idea that there could be 36 advanced civilizations within our galaxy is a tantalizing one. It implies that intelligent life is not as rare as we once thought, and that other civilizations might be out there, waiting to be discovered. However, this leads to a paradox. If there are so many civilizations nearby, where are they? Why haven't we detected any clear signs of their existence? Experts have been grappling with this mystery for decades, and numerous explanations have been proposed to account for the apparent absence of alien signals. One common theory is the vast distances that separate us from other star systems. Westby and Conneal's study suggests that the average distance between any two civilizations in the galaxy is around 17,000 light-years. For those unfamiliar with the scale of the universe, a light-year is the distance that light travels in 1 year, about 9.46 trillion kilometers. The distances between stars and potential civilizations are so immense that communication or travel between them could take tens of thousands or even millions of years. This poses a significant challenge for making contact with alien civilizations. Even if they are out there, the sheer scale of space means that we are unlikely to be able to reach them, or even detect their signals, anytime soon. Despite the vast distances, however, some researchers remain hopeful that we might be able to detect the faintest of signs from alien civilizations. And this brings us to the curious case of Tabby's star, also known as KIC 846-2852, a celestial object that has garnered significant attention in recent years for its unusual behavior. Located in the constellation Cygnus, around 1,470 light-years away from Earth, Tabby's star has become one of the most fascinating and enigmatic objects in the sky. The star is about 1.4 times the mass of our Sun and shines around 5 times brighter. However, it has gained widespread attention not for its size or brightness, but because of its highly irregular fluctuations in luminosity. Over the years, astronomers have observed Tabby's star undergoing significant and sudden drops in brightness, some of which have been as large as 20%. These dips in brightness are much larger and more erratic than what we would expect from a planet passing in front of the star, which is the typical explanation for such phenomena. In the case of planetary transits, when a planet passes between us and its parent star, the star's light dims slightly, but the effect is usually very predictable. The timing, duration, and magnitude of the dimming are all consistent with the size of the planet and its orbit. However, Tabby's star behaves very differently. Its dips in brightness occur irregularly, sometimes with no apparent pattern, and in some cases, the star loses a significant portion of its brightness within just a few days. The most extreme example occurred in 2011 when the star's brightness dropped by 22% over the course of a few weeks, only to return to its original brightness shortly thereafter. Astronomers are still unable to explain this behavior, and this has led to a number of theories, including the possibility that the dimming is caused by some kind of artificial structure. One of the more outlandish, yet intriguing, explanations is that Tabby's star is surrounded by a massive, artificial structure built by an advanced alien civilization. This theory proposes that the irregular dimming could be caused by large, artificial objects or megastructures blocking the light from the star. One such megastructure that has been proposed is the Dyson sphere, a hypothetical structure first described by the physicist Freeman Dyson in 1960. The idea behind the Dyson sphere is that an advanced civilization could eventually need more energy than their home planet can provide. To meet this demand, they might construct a massive sphere around their star, capturing its energy and using it to power their civilization. A Dyson sphere would certainly block some of the star's light, causing the type of dimming observed in Tabby's star. However, there is a major issue with this hypothesis. According to current models, if a Dyson sphere were present around Tabby's star, we would expect to see a significant increase in infrared radiation, as the structure would absorb the star's light and re-emit it as heat. Yet no such infrared signature has been detected. Without this infrared emission, it seems unlikely that we are dealing with a Dyson sphere. Despite the excitement generated by this possibility, most scientists have favored more natural explanations for the strange dimming observed in Tabby's star. Some suggest that the dimming could be caused by large clouds of dust or gas surrounding the star, while others speculate that the star might be much younger than previously thought and still have an accretion disk of material that could cause the fluctuations. There is also the possibility that Tabby's star could have swallowed a planet, with the resulting debris causing the observed dimming. In any case, despite the tantalizing possibility that we might be witnessing the activity of an advanced alien civilization, the evidence for such a conclusion is still lacking. But this hasn't stopped scientists from continuing their search for signs of extraterrestrial life. As we continue to scan the skies and analyze the data collected by telescopes such as Kepler, we are bound to encounter new discoveries, some of which may offer real evidence of alien civilizations. One of the most exciting possibilities for discovering extraterrestrial life comes from the study of exoplanets, planets that orbit stars outside our solar system. The discovery of these distant worlds has opened up a new frontier in the search for life. In fact, Kepler and other space telescopes have found thousands of exoplanets, some of which lie in the habitable zone of their stars, where conditions might be just right for liquid water to exist. This raises the possibility that life, perhaps even intelligent life, could be out there. One such exoplanet that has garnered significant attention is Proxima Centauri b, a planet that orbits the star Proxima Centauri, the closest star to our Sun at a distance of just 4.2 light-years. Proxima Centauri b is an intriguing world for several reasons. First, it lies within its star's habitable zone, meaning that conditions might be suitable for life to exist. Second, its proximity to Earth makes it one of the most promising candidates for a search for extraterrestrial life. But as promising as it is, Proxima Centauri b presents numerous challenges for scientists. Its surface temperature is likely to be extreme. On one side, it's likely to be scorching hot, while the other side is likely to be freezing cold. If life exists on this planet, it would likely be confined to a narrow strip of land between the two extremes, known as the twilight zone. Furthermore, we don't yet know if Proxima Centauri b has a stable atmosphere, which would be crucial for supporting life as we know it. Despite the excitement surrounding Proxima Centauri b, we are still far from knowing whether it can support life, let alone intelligent life. In 2024, there were reports that the James Webb Space Telescope had detected city lights on an exoplanet, further fueling speculation that we might be on the verge of finding extraterrestrial civilizations. However, this discovery was later revealed to be a misunderstanding or misinterpretation of data. The phenomenon that was observed wasn't artificial lighting on a planet's surface, but rather a natural atmospheric phenomenon that can create similar patterns. Despite the disappointment that came with the realization, it's worth noting that the James Webb Space Telescope continues to make significant discoveries in the realm of astrophysics. Its ability to observe distant worlds in unprecedented detail means that we are closer than ever to understanding the composition of alien atmospheres and searching for signs of habitability. Even though we have not yet found definitive proof of alien civilizations, the search is far from over. As our technology continues to improve, our chances of detecting extraterrestrial life, whether microbial, intelligent, or somewhere in between, are growing. But what if the answer to the Fermi paradox, the question of why we haven't yet encountered alien civilizations, is that we are truly alone in the universe? There are many possible explanations for why we have not yet detected extraterrestrial life, ranging from the vast distances between stars to the possibility that advanced civilizations tend to self-destruct before they can make contact with others. Some scientists argue that technological advancement is not a one-way road but rather a dangerous ride that could lead to self-annihilation. Others propose that alien civilizations might actively avoid us, aware of the risks associated with interacting with a younger, potentially dangerous species like ours. While the search for extraterrestrial life continues, it's important to maintain a sense of skepticism. The excitement surrounding sensational headlines can sometimes cloud our judgment, and it's crucial to evaluate the evidence carefully. For now, we are still waiting for that one breakthrough discovery that will answer the question, are we truly alone in the universe? Until that day comes, we can only continue to explore the cosmos, hoping that the answers we seek are out there, just waiting to be discovered.